Before buying an eyeliner brush, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most brushes look similar, but real users have complaints that can really shape your decision.
Product number 1. Jason's Fine Angled Brush Set. The Jason's Ultra Thin Precision Eyeliner Brush Set caught my eye right away, especially with that price of just $4.99 for 3 brushes. If you want precision without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These brushes come with a fine point, angled, and flat setting brush. The fine point is perfect for creating those sharp cat eye looks, while the angled one makes filling in any gaps super easy. Plus, the synthetic bristles mean you can clean them easily, and they're safe for all skin types. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the bristles being a bit stiff. Here's the thing though, if you're new to eyeliner, a little stiffness can actually help you maintain control while applying. But if you prefer something softer, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just want quality brushes without spending too much. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra soft bristles. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the stiffness of the Jason's brush bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Pro Precision Gel Eyeliner Brush. The Pro Precision Gel Eyeliner Brush is priced at $8.49, and it caught my attention because of its ultra-thin slanted design. If you want a brush that offers incredible control and precision, this is worth a serious look. This brush features a slanted flat angle that makes it easy to apply gel eyeliner, especially for tightlining the eyes. The cruelty-free synthetic bristles are designed to hold product well, ensuring an even application. It's particularly great for those who want to find lines without a ton of effort. With 2,000 units sold last month, it's clearly popular among users looking for quality. Now, some users mention that the brush can be a bit too thin, making it tricky to use for bolder looks. But honestly, if you're into precision and detail, this thinness is actually a blessing. It allows you to layer without overdoing it. This is perfect for you if you love gel eyeliners and want to achieve a precise line. Skip this one if you prefer thicker brushes for bolder applications. With its price, the quality is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a vegan option.
Product number 3, EIG Show Sickle Angled Brush. We have the EIG Show Sickle Angled Gel Eyeliner Brush, also priced at $8.49.
This brush is unique because of its sickle shape, which really caught my eye. If you want a brush that allows for both precise eyeliner and eyebrow work, this is worth a serious look. The ultra-thin curved vegan bristles are designed for precision and flexibility. You can easily create sharp lines for your eyeliner and use it for filling in your brows too. The sickle shape allows for smooth strokes, making it easier to get that perfect flick. With over 900 units sold last month, it's clearly appealing to those who prioritize versatility. Now, some people found the brush a bit difficult to clean due to the unique shape. Here's the thing though, if you use it regularly, a little extra care and cleaning can go a long way for keeping it in great shape. If you're fine with that, it's a fantastic tool. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional brush that works for both eyeliner and brows. Skip this one if you prefer simpler shapes. For the price, you get a lot of versatility. Now, if disposal and hygiene are top of mind for you, the next product is something you definitely want to check out.
Product number 4, eBoot Disposable Eyeliner Brushes. The eBoot 100-pack disposable eyeliner brushes come at just $6.98, which is a steal for those who prioritize hygiene. If you want to keep your makeup application clean and easy, this is worth a serious look. This pack of 100 brushes means you can toss them after use, keeping your makeup fresh and free from bacteria. Each brush has a thin tip, which helps in achieving precise lines easily. They're also small and lightweight, making them perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. With 800 units sold last month, it's clear that many are opting for this hygienic solution. Now, some users pointed out that these brushes can feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for a sturdy brush that will last, these aren't it. But if you need a quick disposable option, they do the job well. This is perfect for you if you want a sanitary option for eyeliner application. Skip this one if you need something long-lasting and durable. For the price, it's hard to beat the convenience. Alright, that was a unique option. But if you're looking for a more traditional brush set, the next one might just be your cup of tea. Product number 5, Cycle 5-Piece Eyeliner Brush Set. We have the Cycle 5-piece eyeliner brushes, priced at $5.98. This set really caught my attention because it offers a variety of styles in one package. If you want a comprehensive brush set to cover all your eyeliner needs, this is worth a serious look. The set includes fine-angled and ultra-thin slanted brushes, which are perfect for everything from cat eyes to everyday looks. The variety means you can experiment with different styles without needing to buy multiple separate brushes. Plus, the soft bristles provide a smooth application, making it easier for both beginners and pros alike. With over 500 units sold last month, it's gaining traction for a reason. Now, some reviewers mentioned that the brushes could lose their shape after multiple washes, but honestly, if you take care of them and follow the cleaning instructions, they should last you a good while. It's a minor drawback for such a versatile set. This is perfect for you if you want a complete set that allows for creative freedom with your eyeliner. Skip this one if you only need one style. For the price, you really can't go wrong with the variety offered here.
We have the Jason set for beginners, the Pro Precision for gel lovers, the Eeg Show for those who want versatility, the E-Boot disposables for hygiene, and the Cycle for a complete set. Each has its pros and cons, so think about what you value most in an eyeliner brush.